Welcome back, traders. I'm your host, Shakil Samai, and today we have the daily dose on the Forex market. Right here, I have gold, and we're about to break down the key levels that you can watch out on gold. Then you can decide with that information, will you be buying or selling? And with that said, I'm right now on the daily time frame. Let's break it step by step, okay? On the daily time frame for gold right now, what I can really see is that gold has been selling off massively. You can see it's been selling, creating lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we're back at the previous low right now. So it's a key area. As you see right now, market has literally come back to where market stopped right over here on the daily. This is a point, what I call a area of interest, a AOI, area of interest. An area of interest is basically where market stopped from a massive move. You see right here, resistance, market sold, stopped, sold off, came back up, sold from this area all the way down, but it stopped from the buy. So this is a key area of interest, an AOI. So that would be said, let's move on to 4 hour. Keep in mind it's bearish. So we're going to drop on key areas, AOIs. We have a high right here. We have these lows. The market just broke below right now. Right? And remember, this is the area of interest. A key area right here. We have a key area where market sold from here as resistance. So we have resistance here. Previously, it was a resistance and a support, and then became resistance over here. So you can see market was a support, broke below over here, closed the candle, right? Candle closure below that support, and it turns into resistance. And then market sold off all the way down. It sold right back into a key area again. So a key thing you can take away from this is that you're always looking for area of interest, key areas where market bought from, stopped from, sold from. It literally areas where market stopped, buy from, stopped and sold from. As you can see, key area right here, sold off. Key area right here, bought from here. You can see right here as well. Key area sells off. Key area buys up. Key area sells off. It's basically where market stops, takes a pause. Right? That's how I basically draw my support and resistance. And with that being said, we can see right now, right over here, this is a key area. And this is the key area right here. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Now we drop onto 30-minute time frame, and we're looking for more key areas right now. Taking this to the most recent right now, and on the 30-minute we have the support right over here. Okay, and then we have this resistance right over here. So for today, what I'm looking for, if market can close above this resistance, then I can trade it back all the way higher into the next key area, which will be at this point, right? The next thing I would look for is if market breaks below this support, I can trade into the next key area. Okay, guys. And if you don't have the key area you're looking for, you go in a high time frame and look where was the last key area after this area. Look to the left, you can see right over here. So that was the last key area that we can put on, and that will be our target if market sells off. So you have two options, you say. You have two scenarios if you're looking for a buy or if you're looking for a sell. So let me know, guys, in the chat, in the Discord, let me know what you're looking for. Are you looking for gold to buy today, or are you looking for gold to sell off today? And then also let me know in what prices are you looking to buy into and sell into, and where are you looking to take your entries from. Once again, guys, it's your daily dose from Shakil Samai at Commit Capital. We trust you have a blessed day on the market, a successful one. Get funded, get the payouts. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers, traders.